The incredible benefits of vegetables. A nutrient-packed journey. Vegetables are a crucial part of a healthy diet, offering a wide range of essential nutrients that are essential for our well-being. Vegetables come in various colors, shapes, and sizes, each with its own unique set of benefits. In this video, we'll explore 7 popular vegetables and delve into the remarkable benefits they offer to your health and vitality. Broccoli. Broccoli, often referred to as a superfood, is packed with nutrients. It's a rich source of vitamin C, which supports the immune system and skin health. Additionally, it contains fiber, aiding digestion and promoting satiety, making it an excellent choice for weight management. Broccoli also contains antioxidants like sulforaphane, known for its potential cancer-fighting properties. Spinach. Spinach is a leafy green powerhouse. This veggie is loaded with iron, which helps transport oxygen throughout the body, preventing fatigue and anemia. It's also a fantastic source of vitamin K, essential for bone health and blood clotting. The high levels of vitamins A and C in spinach contribute to healthy skin and strong immune function. Carrots. Carrots are renowned for their vibrant orange color, which signifies their high beta-carotene content. Beta-carotene is converted into vitamin A in the body, promoting good vision, skin health, and a robust immune system. Carrots are also rich in fiber and antioxidants, making them a perfect choice for promoting digestive health and reducing the risk of chronic diseases. Bell peppers. Bell peppers come in various colors, with each hue offering a unique set of nutrients. They are a great source of vitamin C, which helps repair and regenerate tissues. Peppers are also rich in antioxidants, including lutein and zeaxanthin, which support eye health and reduce the risk of age-related macular degeneration. Sweet potatoes. Sweet potatoes are a tasty and nutritious vegetable that provides a wealth of benefits. They are packed with fiber, promoting digestive health and aiding in weight management. Sweet potatoes are also loaded with vitamin A, contributing to healthy skin and a strong immune system. Moreover, they contain potassium, which supports heart health by regulating blood pressure. Tomatoes. Tomatoes are a versatile vegetable rich in lycopene, an antioxidant known for its potential to reduce the risk of certain cancers, especially prostate cancer. They are also a good source of vitamin C and potassium, contributing to skin health and heart function. Tomatoes can be enjoyed fresh, cooked, or as a sauce, making them a delicious and healthy addition to various dishes. Cauliflower. Cauliflower is a low-calorie vegetable that's high in fiber and packed with vitamins and minerals. It's an excellent source of vitamin C, supporting immune health and collagen production. Cauliflower also contains sulforaphane, similar to broccoli, which may have anti-cancer properties. What's more, it's a versatile vegetable that can be used in numerous creative recipes as a low-carb alternative. Incorporating a variety of vegetables into your diet is essential for reaping the numerous health benefits they offer. From broccoli's cancer-fighting properties to sweet potatoes' heart-healthy potassium, these vegetables are nutritional powerhouses that can enhance your overall well-being. So, why wait? Start incorporating these veggies into your meals today and embark on a journey to a healthier, more vibrant you. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more useful information and diversified learnings through life. Take care of yourselves because you are really valuable.